Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable or show the post author and date on WordPress blocksy posts. So we have here one of our example posts, and you can see we have our title here, but we don't have the author nor the post date. And if we scroll far down enough, we don't have those either. So let's get started by clicking on Customize and open up the WordPress customizer. It's really easy. Here on the left-hand side, let's scroll down to Post Types, and under Single Post, click on Post Title, and we have here Breadcrumbs, Title, Excerpt, Post Meta, and click down here on the drop-down. You can see that Author is hidden, and we also have Publish Date hidden, and Updated Date hidden, and we don't have that on there, so let's hide that, and we can change the format, month, date, year. For the author, we can enable or disable the avatar, right? And we can change the icon. It really depends on what you have on your website and how you're using it. And we can change the labels here. We can change the divider, and we can change the top spacing, how far it is from the excerpt. And we can also change it depending on if it's desktop, tablet, or mobile. So I'm happy with how that looks like. It's real simple, it's nice, it's clean looking. Let's click on Publish to save our changes. Let's reload our site to see if they took effect. And there we now have our author, yours truly, and the post date in your WordPress blocksy post. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.